Go on.
Even better quote. Steve Jobs. He said, "The people that are crazy enough to believe that they can change the world are usually the ones that actually do it." Control. Sometimes you have to forget what's true and you have to say what serves me better, what's going to empower me better. And to say, I'm just born how I'm born and I'm good at what I'm good at.
It takes away all the power.
Yeah. It's much better to say, you know what? I can be whatever I want to be. I just need to practice. I don't believe... Listen, you cannot use I'm born this way as an excuse for anything. I just don't think you can. Do you want to... How do you want to be? Because you have a choice. Listen, I mean, I'm not judging anyone. If you're happy how you are, then great. But don't moan and say it's because I was born that way.
No.
You know, like, what about? I don't know if you've heard the story of the guy, two guys in fact, who grew up together. One guy was really successful, really rich, really happy, really nice, happy family, loving husband. The other guy was a loser, bum, beat his wife, no money. And they interviewed these guys, and they said to the bad guy, "Why are you such a bum? Why do you beat your wife? Why are you an alcoholic? Why?" "Because my dad's that way." Alright, fine. Then they asked the other guy, "Why are you so successful and happy and you know, rich and loving?" "Oh, it's because my dad was a bum who beat my mom. And I didn't want to be that way." Same situation, same circumstances, but they both had a choice. But generally speaking, I think that life is 90% what you make it and 10% how you take it.
How much of that 10% do you think is what you attract?
How do you mean?
So 10% is kind of what happens to you, and 90% of it is how you react to that.
No.
Okay, go on, explain that.
Alright, your life.
Yeah.
Your life right now.
Yeah.
Your business, everything that's happened to you, who you are as a person, is 90% how you've created that, you've made that.
So what's the 10%?
The 10% is how you react to things. Biggest thing is putting time aside to have gratitude. I think being grateful is the biggest asset.
Yeah, I'd agree with that.
If you're an ungrateful person, you even if you're rich financially and you have a good business and stuff, you just stink. Entitled, ungrateful, proud, arrogant. And there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. And people sometimes, I think, misunderstand me as arrogant. But I think arrogance and entitlement stinks.
So do you think you should be more humble?
Mate, you should always be more humble. You can never be too humble. And it's a good thing. Sometimes people think, oh, I'm the boss, I'm the owner, I can't be seen cleaning floors and stuff. It's not a good look, it's against my brand, it's a bad positioning. It's really not. It's really not. It's good to value your time, but if you're not prepared to do that ever, if you're just like, ugh, I wouldn't do that in principle, it's beneath me, then don't expect anyone else to do that. Anyone that says something's not possible is speaking from a poverty mindset, because everything is possible. You know, like, within reason, you can take things out of context, but why go around talking about what's not possible? Why not find solutions for what is possible? You know, so anyone that's saying you can't do that, that's not possible, that's risky, that's for me, that's coming from a broke mindset. I'd rather, the way you're going about doing that isn't going to work. It's possible, but let me show you the better route. That I'll listen to. But someone just says you can't do it. It's just to me, it's boring. I'm not interested. I've been told that all my life. You know, it's like when people tell you that you can't, or even let's put a different slant on it. Like when people say it's all right for you, you're happy now because you're 20 years old and you're single, and that's why you're so happy and have so much energy. Wait until you're in a relationship. Everything changes. And then you get in a relationship and life's still great and you're still happy and you've still got loads of energy.
Wait 5 years.
Oh, you wait until you're married. You wait until you had kids. Oh, you wait till you have your second kid. You wait until and in the end it's like, life is still fantastic actually. Are you just prophesying your life on me? I think that's probably what this is about. Because you keep saying wait until. Like, what's next? Oh, wait until they leave home, then you'll be depressed. Stop waiting for me to be depressed. Stop waiting for me to fail. And you become successful. And stop prophesying your shit over my life.
No negativity.
No negativity. And that's not, and people say, you know, oh, just, no, but you need to be a realist. Listen, when I need to be pessimistic, I'm pessimistic. When I'm doing a deal, I'll look at the worst case of the deal. Here's the thing. I'm addicted to success. I'm addicted to positivity. And I'm completely allergic to negativity. Some people are allergic to money. and they'll sabotage it. Whereas I'm the opposite. Everything's a sacrifice, but it's always worth it in the long run.